let's start with this beautiful white pocket strappy bra. So this is gonna be the fit. I feel like you can size down. It's gonna be similar to the Luxe strappy bra, just on the fit. So I feel like I still have a little bit. This is an extra small, and I feel like I still have a little bit of extra room on some areas. So you can definitely size down, or if you like which is like a relaxed fit and wear it throughout the day, your true to size will be great. But I feel like the size smaller will add a little bit more compression for your workouts. But look how cute it is. So you can see this texture it has. It's kind of like polka dots. That's why it's called the polka strappy bra. And it's just on the fabric, and it's very fun and cool. And I just really love it. So nice thick band here, elastic on the rib cage, and super comfy. It's not gonna dig, it's not gonna bug you, it's just gonna be perfect. So, and then this strap, nice and thick, and look at the back. So the back is actually, first this is a piece of fabric, and then the strappies go from there, and then you can adjust that to more support or more relaxed, whatever it is that you need. But it's super, my hair is on the way, like always, super cute. And I, of course, I'm going right there, and just a beautiful white bra that I feel like it goes with everything. My favorite personal color for bras. I'm always wearing white, and I just love it. So removable caps, I will say medium to high support for this one. I do feel like with the straps, they will add you, like the adjustable straps, it will add a more support. But I feel like medium to high, and one size smaller or true to size. I think if you are definitely smaller cap, you want to size down for sure. This is my true to size, and I feel like I can still size down. And then just for reference, I'm wearing extra small, and I'm at 32 CD, depends on the bra. On the regular bra brand. I can't talk. Anyway, beautiful option.